What we have here is the ST50F-ES230 from SilverStone, which is basically a 500-watt PSU from their Strider Essential series, as written here on the box. As also seen here on the box, this is an 80 plus white or basically just 80 plus certified unit, which is really the minimum you should go for, in case 80 plus bronze units are still too expensive for you. I'm not sure if this tagline is for this particular series of PSUs or for the brand SilverStone in general, but I highly doubt that it can power everything I need, if, for example, I use an RTX 4090. Over here we can see the cables that are included. And we can also take note from here that this is a version 2.0 unit. I'm not sure what the improvements that they made are over the first version, but let's hope that they are significant and useful in improving this PSU's performance. Inside the box, we have a manual. This I suppose is a specs brochure of some kind. The included power cable, the one connecting the PSU to the wall power. And aside from the PSU itself, this bag of screws. As expected from an inexpensive power supply unit, ketchup and mustard cables that are non-modular. And that's it for this quick unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next videos.